Hello there, I hope you all are doing well. I'm currently combating a group of cockatoos who are flying over because it's twilight and they like to go back to their home and all of that for the night. So today is going to be an exciting video because I'm going to be unboxing a bit of, I don't like using this term, but fan mail. Someone got in contact with me. She makes dolls and all of that stuff, and she wanted to send me some stuff. She's from Russia, so I was really excited to get this package, and I have kind of had a little peek in here, and then I was like, no, I've got to open this on camera because this is the coolest package, well, one of the coolest I have ever received, and I'm so thankful for this. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing is a letter. There's some instructions for care as well. I've got a few social media links to put in here to everyone who's contributed to this. So I will put that in the description as well as on screen, so you know, as it comes up. So this one is from Lou from Russia. She's part of an Instagram page. Well, she has an Instagram page where she does dolls and all of that stuff. And her Instagram page, the person who sent me this package, is Luciana Dolls. It might be Luciana, but from what I've seen in the past, it's Luciana. I'm really sorry if it's Luciana. The next thing underneath that is some treats, and this looks like, it's obviously all in Russian, and it looks like it's Turkish delight with some sesame seeds, and it's blood orange flavor. So I'm going to give this a little go. In the letter she did make sure that everything was vegan too, so just in case you're wondering about that. It's definitely an interesting flavor. It tastes obviously like blood orange, or grapefruit, whatever you call them. In Australia, I think we call them more blood orange. And the sesame seeds, it's... So good. Continuing before I eat that whole entire tub. The next thing is this, and it's Vladivostok. So it's a pack of postcards. This must be from the part of Russia she's from. Oh goodness me, this looks so beautiful. This makes me want to go to Russia even more. I desperately want to go to Russia. Oh, look at this. Actually, I think that's, that is, I did a case study in my physics class on the physics of certain bridges, because it's a cable-stayed bridge, and we did, you know, the physics behind it. I wasn't too keen on physics in school. The only reason I took it was initially because it was I had to have it to get to Maths C, which is the hardest maths. I hate maths, so I don't know why I wanted to put myself through that. But physics, I kept it for 3 terms because I wanted to go on the Dreamworld trip, so to a theme park. So we had to pass 3 terms to be able to go to this Dreamworld trip. So I studied my arse off to stay in physics for that Dreamworld trip, and then I dropped it. I know. I'm gonna have to put those all around as inspiration to work hard, save up harder, so I can get my arse over to Russia. Next one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm nearly in tears. It's me. It's modeled off a photo shoot I did not too long ago. Oh, her hair is so soft, complete with the flower crown. She's so beautiful. She's got my flower crown too. Hold on. I got my flower crown. She's so precious and beautiful, and her hair is just so incredibly soft. Holy crap, it's a mini me. It is a literal mini me. And it's even got like a little replica of the dress I wore for the shoot and everything. This is so amazing. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. This is the coolest thing, you guys. So I've just stood her up on her little stand. You're so precious. I'm gonna put her right next to my work computer just so I can stare at her every single day. That is the coolest thing ever. I'm just absolutely blown away. Oh, there's more in here. There's a little pin, which is from Luciana Doll's store, and it's Wednesday Addams. Oh, I've recently got into collecting pins, and I've been putting them all over one of my bags, and oh, it's so cute. It's so cute, you guys. So cute. So cute. And the final thing is some more Russian delicacies. Some Russian chocolate. So I'm guessing this is sea salt and dark chocolate. Yep, sea salt and dark chocolate. Vegan as well. Well, obviously, she said in the letter everything's vegan. Ooh. Oh, this smells so good. Mmm. I've never had sea salt chocolate before. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Both of these treats, sorry. I don't usually talk with my mouth open because my mother would slap my face if I did that. But I'm trying to get this video moving because I do have to go to work soon. But I'm sorry. I cannot begin to express how cool and how thankful I am for this. I'm completely lost for words. Lou, I just want to thank you for your generosity, your kindness, your support, everything. Just, this is one of the coolest things anybody has ever done for me, and I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I had to take off the crown because I made that flower crown, and because I made it just before the photo shoot, it kind of hurts a little bit to wear, but I'll alter it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't thank you enough for this generosity, this kindness, this support, this love, not just from Lou from Luciana Dolls, but from all of you. And I don't know, things like this, it just reminds me that it's not validation that I am loved. It just, I don't know. And the fact that this package came at such a pivotal time in the way that I was having a really bad birthday. Because my birthday was a couple of days ago as of filming this, and everything went wrong, it seemed. I lost some money from my wallet. I cracked one of my front teeth. It's fixed now, but I cracked one of my front teeth. I felt like I wasn't very loved from my family on my birthday. I don't know, I spent most of my day crying. And then this happened. I don't know, it brought me back into really, really good spirits. And it came at the right time, so thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. And please show Luciana Dolls some love. That would be absolutely amazing. Spread the love. Spread the love. I get so much of it already, and I'm so thankful that it's one of the things I like to do. Even on Instagram, I try to tell you guys to not just, like, don't go out of your way to show not just me love, but everyone, because it really does. It feels amazing to receive love. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to be here for every single video. Like this video if you thought that is the cutest darn doll you've ever seen in your life. Not just because it's modeled after me, but because it is, I don't know, it is the coolest thing. Coolest thing I've ever seen. Comment down below what you think, and also comment down below what something small that makes you feel loved. And hope you all have an absolutely wonderful, fantabulous day. I love you guys, and I want you guys to know that. I adore you. I appreciate everything. Bye.